Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? My name's Dylan. So if you're clicking on this video and your car won't start, that's exactly what happened to me. Yesterday I woke up and my car wouldn't turn on. I went to turn it on, all the lights came on, the lights still worked in my car, I knew it wasn't a dead battery. Didn't turn at all. But the lights came on. There was a tiny little click, but I just got it fixed, so I want to tell you how that happened. So yeah, let me just show you my car. I have a 2011 Ford Escape. So this is something I didn't realize, but if you, basically what happened to me is that my car, yesterday, or 2 days ago, I'll just show you right here. Come with me outside. Let's see if I can turn this light on. It's really dark in here. So let me go this way so I don't lock myself out. But yesterday, or 2 days ago, I was standing right here. I have a video, maybe I'll try to show it. Well, I'll show you my leg because I have it all wrapped up underneath here. But basically I was standing right here, guys. Standing right here next to my pool. Small little pool, right? Nothing crazy. I was standing right here talking on the phone. I was just standing right there talking on the phone, and all of a sudden I fell in my pool. I don't know what it is about pools. I know people have died by falling in their pools, and so thankfully it wasn't worse, but I was standing right here. I'm not gonna even get too close because now I'm a little traumatized about it, but I was standing and it's only about 5 or 6 feet right here, so I lost my balance and I tried to step in the middle one to see if I could, you know, not fall in. I was wearing jeans and everything. I fell in, hit my leg right there. I'll try to show a little clip of the aftermath. Yeah, but basically, so I didn't realize it, but the next morning I went to drive my car because the rest of that day I was just icing my leg all day. The next morning I went and my car didn't start. And my car's also been stuck in park too. So I'm gonna show you guys both of those, how to fix those, how to fix that. My keys was in my pocket when I fell in and I didn't realize it, but this, if you have a key like this, and if this gets wet, your car won't start, because just because this is a key doesn't mean that this is not a normal key. This is a fob key, obviously, right? I mean, it's a fob key, but what I'm trying to say is that if this gets wet, your car won't start just with the key alone. The whole fob needs to be activated. So what I did was this thing opens up, guys. It opens up like this. I'm just gonna show you. There's a little hole right here. You know, you can figure out how to pry it open. And it opens up like this, right? This battery, I took it out. I took out the battery. It was kind of wet in here, and I put this in rice. I put my key fob in rice for like 24 hours, almost 12 hours. Just this stuff. I dried it out. And then I bought these batteries right here. I took out my old battery, looked up exactly the same model. I have a Panasonic CR2032 3V. I literally bought a new one. I literally almost got my car towed since I'm up in LA. My old mechanic is down in Orange County. I couldn't figure out how to get my car started. I actually set up AAA last night. It cost me $100. And I was gonna even rent a car this week because they don't tow it over 7 miles until a week later. So guys, I was literally gonna get a car rental this week and then wait 7 days and tow my car 70 miles down to Orange County to get it looked at, to get it worked on. And literally this thing cost me, these batteries right here, I think they were $3, and then I paid like $7.99 for same day shipping. Or no, maybe it was like $5. I don't know. In grand total, it was under $10. So I got this, you know, put in the new one, and then, you know, make sure it's face down. Just put that back in really quick. And then I can just show you guys here. I want to show you guys this because this literally saved me hundreds of dollars and a huge trip to Orange County. Focus. Focus on me, come on, bro. I hate this camera. No, I'm just kidding, I love it. But yeah, so now it should work. Yep, it works like normal now. That's me locking it. Before it wouldn't work at all. And so now I can just open it up and turn the car. So before, when I would turn on, it would just go like that, and I would turn it and it wouldn't start. But now, it starts. It's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, guys. Literally, I was gonna spend, well, I already did spend $100 on my AAA membership, but I guess it's good to have that anyways. So whatever. That's the only, literally the only downside is that I have a AAA membership. It's like $100 for the year, which is not that bad. Plus I get 4 tows up to $100, 100 miles. That's actually pretty good. So if I'm stranded, I can get my car towed 100 miles 4 different times throughout the year. But that's one thing. If you get your keys wet and you have a little one of these little fob things, all you have to do, and I was actually tomorrow I was gonna go to the Ford dealership and get a new one. You know how much these things cost? I don't know, but I was just talking to my Uber driver and he told me, because now I'm Ubering, well, now I don't have to Uber around anymore, but I've been Ubering around town. I just spent $40 going to acting class last night, because it's all the way across town. But I went to the gym and back, and I was asking him, and he got his fob. He got an extra fob, or his fob replaced or something. His cost $300. I was literally gonna go to Ford tomorrow, Uber to Ford, which would cost me, what, another 20 bucks, 15 bucks at least. Spend another 300, Uber back, another 15, 20 bucks. And my whole, pretty much my whole morning there. Just to get a new fob, just to try to see if that would work. Which that obviously would have fixed the problem, but all I needed was to replace the battery. So shout out to my mom who told me to get a new battery, because that literally, I'm so happy now, because yeah, now I don't have to deal with that whole business. Yeah, like I said, I was gonna tow it all the way down. So anyways, I just wanted to update you guys. Yeah, let me get a sad little thumbnail. So oh, well, I don't know, maybe I'll just get a normal thumbnail, but here's my light. But yeah, this is my car key. What to do when your car won't start. I know you guys hate me for my thumbnails. But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, or if you just happen to click on this video, all the merch is 30% off in the description down below. We have a bunch of cool different designs. We got long sleeves too. I know it is pretty cold out. I honestly love these materials. They're really, it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but the material inside is like the material that's really, really soft. You have to hang dry these though, okay? When you buy your hoodies, this is super comfy too. Don't put them in the dryer. Don't dry them, or else they'll lose that little softness. So just hang dry them. You can wash them, but yeah, just hang dry them. These long sleeves are nice. Yeah, guys. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite long sleeves actually. Rideshare. So, but yeah, it just I got some crop tops too. We're doing photo shoots now. I don't know if you guys, I'll put some on my they're on the Instagram, the Rideshare at Rideshare Hub. But yeah, crop tops for girls. Can't go wrong with those, right guys? Right boys? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you guys again. You guys have been helping me out. I always come to you guys when I have questions, so I thought I would return the favor and now tell you guys how how I fix my car. So, all right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.